Hey everyone, thanks for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you a very subtle, soft, smoked out eye look, which you can wear for any occasion, for anywhere you want to go for, and it's super easy. So let's get started. I'm gonna take my favorite primer, which is still the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. I've been using it for years, and for me it just really works, so why stop using it if it just does the job. So I'm applying this all over the eyelid to remove the redness, and it's going to make my eyeshadow more long lasting. That's not really the reason why I use it, just basically because I feel like it leaves a nice layer which makes my eyeshadow apply easier. Then I set it with some powder, and then I'm going to do my brows. I don't always show how I do my brows in every video, but today I was like, let me just show you guys. So I started with the e.l.f. Cosmetics brow gel. And then I used the brow pen from Anastasia Beverly Hills to create these kind of like fake hair strokes. Now I kind of go back and forth between this one and one from Benefit Cosmetics. I actually use the Benefit one more often. It's the one which has 3 tiny applicators, so when you use it, it will leave 3 fake hair strokes in one. I don't know, I use it almost every day off camera. It's just easy and quick to use. It gives quick result, which I like. And then that's all I do. So now I went in with a brown pencil and I applied just a simple line above the lash line, and then I went in with a tiny smudge brush, and I'm just gonna smudge back and forth, and I'm not even being like super precise with this. I'm just making sure that it's smudged out. That's my main goal. So I only applied the pencil on one eye first, because some pencils, and especially this one, it will dry pretty quickly because it's like a long-lasting pencil. So you don't want to like apply it on one eye and then the other and then start smudging it out, because by the time you're like ready to smudge out the other eye, it might be already like locked in place and hard to blend out. So just do one eye at a time. That will be my advice. So I'm just smudging until I feel like it looks good and nice, and then I'm gonna go in with a second layer. So the first layer was kind of like to create that soft gradient, and then this is to kind of like darken the edges, to make it more darker again, because the more you're gonna smudge, the lighter and softer it's gonna be, and I wanted it to be a bit darker. So you can repeat this as many times as you want, but I felt like after doing this like twice, I think the result already looks really good. So then this is the pencil that I used. It's from YSL, and I'm gonna use that same pencil for in the waterline. So it's kind of like a brownish color with a subtle sheen into it. And I thought, why not use it for my waterline as well? And then again, I'm gonna smudge it out using a tiny smudge brush. And you see how easy this eye look is? I feel like it actually gives such a beautiful effect, and it's just minimal effort. And that's really nice. So after that, I curled my lashes, and it's time for mascara. I'm not gonna go in with any false lashes, because I found this mascara, which in my opinion, it's the best I've tried. And I'm not sponsored to say this. They did send me this for free just to try out. But I'm not like paid to even speak about this. But this is so good. I will link it down in the description bar, but it's the best mascara I've tried. What I do notice is when I apply one layer, it doesn't look amazing, just normal. But when I go in with a second layer, it makes my lashes so long, and it doesn't make it like go clumpy when I go in with another layer. I'm obsessed, and I need to get a few more extra, because I know some brands will discontinue their mascaras quite quickly, and I need like hundreds of this one. Let me know if you tried it and what you think. I feel like mascaras are quite personal. Like for some people it works, for some people it don't, but I have a feeling that a lot of people will like this one. But yeah, this is the finished result. Super easy, like I said in the intro, a very easy and quick look for beginners. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you're gonna try it out, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!